when this symbol becomes green, then Audi Active Lane Assist is activated, and it helps to steer back the car in between the lane lines. It actually will move the steering wheel automatically when your car goes off the lane. And you could see in here, the right hand lane has turned from green to red, and then it pushes back the car in between the lane lines. So if you want to actually cross the line, then you would need to move the steering wheel a bit harder. For it to work, your car speed should be above 40 miles an hour or 65 kilometers an hour. It can also warn you if you get too close to the car in front of you. As you can see in here, it says your distance is less than 1 second, and there is a collision attention mark symbol. So that means you will need to slow down your car to keep a safe distance. The display in the front is called virtual cockpit. So to display driver as center, press the left button on your steering wheel through pump sign, and then scroll down the wheel button until you see driver assist. This would give you a better and a bigger visual than the one that's already there underneath the speed dial. And finally, you could easily turn off Audi Active Lane Assist by pressing the button at the tip of the indicator stalk, and then to turn it back on, press one more time.